Machines currently tunnel for half the time, then they stop, and then the rest of the time is putting in reinforcements for the tunnel wall to maybe a factor of 4 or 5 improvement on top of that.
What if I told you that artificial intelligence could help you turn just $100 into $10,000 without luck, guessing, or gambling? Sounds unreal, but that's exactly what's happening right now. Across the world, investors are using artificial intelligence to spot early trends, automate trades, and find crypto opportunities long before the crowd does. This isn't about hype, it's about precision, using machine learning and data analysis to make smarter financial moves. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, understanding how artificial intelligence works inside crypto can completely change your results. So, let's break down how this technology transforms small investments into massive opportunities, and why those who act now are the ones who'll win big. The end of guesswork in crypto. For years, crypto trading was driven by gut feelings, social media rumors, and emotional reactions. But artificial intelligence has ended that era for good. It processes millions of data points, price movements, news trends, and blockchain signals to find patterns humans can't detect. It doesn't guess or hope, it calculates probabilities. The result is a strategy based on logic, not luck. Artificial intelligence allows you to enter or exit positions with confidence, not fear. When others panic during a dip or chase during a pump, artificial intelligence sticks to the data. This disciplined, emotion-free approach helps turn even small investments into consistent, predictable gains over time. Turning data into opportunity. The secret behind artificial intelligence's success is simple. It thrives on data. Every trade, tweet, and blockchain transaction leaves behind digital clues that reveal where the market might be headed next. Artificial intelligence turns this chaos into clarity, reading trends faster than any human analyst ever could.
Look, I think it comes from the depth and breadth of the AI frontier we're pushing, like in a more fundamental and foundational way.
By combining historical data with real-time signals, it identifies opportunities before they become obvious. Investors using artificial intelligence aren't gambling, they're making informed moves with laser precision. This transformation is why those who once struggled with guesswork now find consistency. Artificial intelligence doesn't predict the future. It prepares you for it, giving you a roadmap in a market that feels unpredictable to everyone else. The power of automated trading bots. Imagine having a trading assistant that never sleeps, never hesitates, and never gets emotional. That's what artificial intelligence trading bots do. They analyze, buy, sell, and rebalance your portfolio automatically based on pre-set strategies. These bots use algorithms that monitor market conditions every second, executing trades with perfect timing. You set the rules, and artificial intelligence follows them flawlessly. No distractions, no bad decisions. This automation allows even small investors to operate like professionals, scaling results without constant monitoring. In a 24/7 market like crypto, where prices can change in seconds, artificial intelligence bots give you an incredible advantage: precision, consistency, and complete control over your trading destiny. Identifying hidden market patterns. The human brain is powerful, but it can't process the complexity of crypto markets like artificial intelligence can. This technology identifies hidden patterns buried in millions of data points, whale activity, volume shifts, and micro trends invisible to the naked eye. It connects the dots between what looks like random movement and what's actually part of a larger cycle. Artificial intelligence doesn't just see what's happening, it understands why it's happening. This insight allows traders to position themselves early, capturing profits before the mainstream market reacts. It's like having insider-level intuition powered by math. The result: you move with precision, not speculation, turning volatility into opportunity instead of risk. Risk management made smart. Smart investing isn't about taking wild risks, it's about managing them. Artificial intelligence helps traders protect their capital by applying intelligent risk management automatically. It adjusts your position sizes, sets optimized stop losses, and reduces exposure when volatility spikes. This system thinks faster than human reflexes, shielding you from major losses while keeping you in the game for the next big move.
You're doing, but you are one of the great thinkers. Artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
Pros and cons, we've heard.
Traditional investors often lose because they react too late. Artificial intelligence acts instantly. It's like having a built-in safety mechanism that guards every trade you make. With smart risk management, you don't just grow your money, you preserve it, ensuring your $100 has a real chance to become 10 zeros and dollars. Emotionless execution. In crypto, emotions destroy profits. Fear makes you sell too early. Greed makes you buy too late. Artificial intelligence doesn't suffer from either. It doesn't panic when markets crash or celebrate when they pump. It simply executes the plan. This emotionless precision creates consistency, which is the true foundation of wealth. Artificial intelligence helps you avoid impulsive mistakes by following rules with perfect discipline. It sticks to data, not drama, and that's what keeps your portfolio steady while others crumble under pressure. This kind of trading discipline is what separates professionals from amateurs, and artificial intelligence gives everyone access to that same professional level mindset. Finding the next big coin before it explodes. Every crypto millionaire has one thing in common. They got in early. Artificial intelligence can now detect potential winners before they go mainstream. It scans on-chain data, social sentiment, and trading patterns to identify projects gaining momentum quietly. These early signals often appear days or even weeks before a coin's big breakout. While most traders rely on rumors, artificial intelligence relies on measurable activity, wallet inflows, developer engagement, or network growth. This means you don't need luck to find the next big opportunity. You just need the right system.
What fair use looks like. Again, I think in the world of AI, there will be a new model that we figure out.
Artificial intelligence turns discovery into strategy, helping you buy before the crowd and sell when profits peak. Learning and adapting automatically. Markets change every day, but artificial intelligence never stops learning. It constantly analyzes outcomes, adjusts its approach, and evolves with every trade. When a strategy fails, it doesn't repeat the mistake, it adapts. This self-improving cycle keeps performance sharp, even in unpredictable conditions. Traditional traders often need months to refine their methods, but artificial intelligence does it in real time. It's like having a trading partner that grows smarter with experience, fine-tuning your success automatically. Over time, this adaptability compounds results, turning modest returns into massive gains. The longer you use artificial intelligence, the better it gets. And that's what creates unstoppable momentum in your crypto journey. Combining artificial intelligence with human intuition, while artificial intelligence handles the logic, you still play a vital role, bringing intuition, creativity, and vision. Machines process numbers, humans understand stories. The best results happen when both work together. You identify promising narratives or innovations in crypto, and artificial intelligence helps validate the data behind them. It's a partnership where technology amplifies your decision-making instead of replacing it. This synergy creates balance, emotion guided by evidence. You become a smarter investor, not a passive observer. Artificial intelligence gives you the structure and you add the insight. Together, they turn small ideas into big wins, proving that human intuition and machine precision make an unbeatable team. How the $100 strategy works. The formula is simple: start small, trade smart, and compound consistently. Artificial intelligence finds low risk, high potential entry points in undervalued projects.
Right. I mean, a lot has happened even since last year. I was very excited about sort of the prospect of what AI could mean. I was very stunned.
You invest $100, let automation manage trades, and reinvest profits strategically. Each gain builds on the last, creating exponential growth over time. It's not about hitting one lucky jackpot. It's about steady, data-driven progression. Artificial intelligence ensures that every dollar works intelligently, minimizing losses and maximizing gains. When you apply this compounding method with discipline, small accounts grow surprisingly fast. The key is patience and consistency. With artificial intelligence, your $100 isn't just capital. It's a seed planted in the most powerful growth system ever built. Why timing matters more than ever in crypto. Timing is everything. The market moves faster than any other asset class, and artificial intelligence thrives in that chaos. While human traders analyze charts for hours, artificial intelligence interprets millions of data points in seconds. Building your artificial intelligence edge. Success in crypto isn't about luck, it's about building systems that work for you. Artificial intelligence provides that foundation. It helps you analyze smarter, trade faster, and protect better. Start by learning the basics, testing small, and refining your strategy as you grow. Discipline and technology on your side, turning $100 into $10,000 becomes less of a dream and more of a plan waiting to be executed. Artificial intelligence has already reshaped how people trade, invest, and build wealth. What once required deep experience and big capital is now accessible to anyone with curiosity and consistency. The real question isn't whether this strategy works, it's whether you'll use it. Start small, learn continuously, and let artificial intelligence amplify your potential. The sooner you adapt, the faster you grow. The tools are here, the market is alive, and your chance is now. If this inspired you or opened your mind, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more game-changing insights on how artificial intelligence is transforming money